I am here to issue Mo Salah a challenge. Hashtag challenging Salah. 3 years ago, on his first interview as a Liverpool player, Mo Salah said, "I am here to win trophies for the club." At the time, that was a very bold claim. It was coming from a player that has not yet carved his name, about a club that has not won a league title in more than 30 years and hasn't won a Champions League title since 2005. Only 3 years later, and Salah has been instrumental in Liverpool securing a Champions League title, a Club World Cup title, and a long-awaited for, after 30 years, English Premier League title. But not only was he instrumental in securing all these titles, he also secured 2 golden boots in the process of getting these titles for himself and for Liverpool. Yesterday, after lifting the English Premier League trophy, Salah stood confidently in front of cameras and said, "I said so when I first came here and no one believed me. I said I'm here to win trophies for Liverpool, and now I did it." Salah then is a master visualizer. He has mastered the art of forming a mental image of success and then working really hard to achieve it. But just how good is he really? I am here to hopefully find out. I am here to issue Mo Salah a challenge. Hashtag challenging Salah. So as it stands, Salah is 4 goals behind Jamie Vardy in the race for 3rd consecutive golden boot for Salah. And there's only 1 game left in the Premier League. So I'm here, hashtag challenging Salah, to score a super hat-trick, 4 goals or more, in his next game against Newcastle on Sunday. Mo Salah, if you're seeing this, tweet us back or Instagram us back at Naya Clinics with hashtag Salah challenge accepted. So here's the deal, Mo. If you score a super hat-trick on Sunday and win that 3rd consecutive golden boot, we at Naya Clinics will offer your fans 1,000 copies of our proprietary relationship map exercise. Each one of those is worth $20, so this is $20,000 in gifts for your fans. We will give them out completely free. So if you actually pull it off, if you are truly a master visualizer and you can pull this off, come Sunday you will be able to celebrate your 3rd consecutive golden boot, and also you can celebrate helping 1,000 of your fans to have better relationships with their partners and spouses and significant others. So what will it be, Mo? Do you think you can pull it off? Hashtag Salah challenge accepted. We'll see you Sunday. Bye.